Welcome back. Let's turn now to medical technology and robotics. Medtronic shares have had a rough time in the last years. The company embarks on a restructuring and waits for elective procedures to return to pre-pandemic levels. The company's CEO speaking at the J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference this week, sounding more bullish about the second half of the fiscal year and its plans. With us now, Medtronic's CEO, Geoff Martha. Geoff, good to have you. Good to see you. I definitely want to get into some of the technology that you're working on, but first I want to touch on the latest updates you've been sharing there at JP Morgan Health. Give us your update on progress in the diabetes business, which you've got in turnaround mode, and the easing of some of the headwinds that have been affecting your business for the past several months.
Sure. Well, first, it's great to be back with you, John. And answer your questions on diabetes. Look, this is an exciting area for us where we treat insulin-dependent diabetics with a cutting-edge therapy, and it's a series of a sensor and a insulin delivery device and sophisticated algorithms that have actually learned to learn your sugar levels, predict your eating habits, and really get these diabetics in control. And we have some new therapies out on the market outside the U.S. where we're growing, roughly 15% the last few quarters outside the U.S. We now get these therapies in the U.S. and that is really dependent on an FDA and an upcoming FDA inspection that we're waiting on. And so we're optimistic in the next few quarters where we get that on the market in the U.S. So that'll be a big boost for us. And then the other topic you mentioned was just elective procedures coming back. We're seeing most of our therapeutic areas, elective procedures are back to pre-pandemic levels. There are a few that I talked about yesterday that aren't quite there, but they're inching their way back, and they're in the high 95% plus range of back to their original areas. So, overall, and then the other area is supply chain, which is getting much better too. So overall, the market dynamics continue to get back to pre-pandemic levels. And we have a number of therapies beyond diabetes, new products that are hitting the market that we're talking about this week at JP Morgan.